Hey guys, welcome back. It's Ron, and I got you another video. Now, this comes from the Florida Keys, where there's a group of guys that were out and they were doing a little tubing and other little recreational activities. But before we get to the video, go ahead and make sure you hit that like and subscribe and that notification button.
Just keep it in neutral, Captain. Can you get the registration for me? Y'all watch yourselves, all right? One second, I gotta find it real quick. You're good. Having a party out here, aren't we?
Not really. How you doing, officer?
Good, how are y'all? You mind wrapping this through the center console thing for me?
I just got bit by a jellyfish. You got any medicine?
It's called stinging, but no, I did not. Sorry.
Officer, are they poisonous out here?
I wouldn't really say poisonous.
I've never gotten stung before.
Yeah.
Yeah, me either, man. I'm really scared.
It won't hurt you. Well, it hurts, but it's not gonna
It does
kill you or
hurt.
anything. Hold on. Okay. Where y'all from?
Key West.
Nice.
We're from here.
Okay. Nice. Y'all wouldn't know anything about all these cans floating around, would you? Y'all wouldn't know anything about all these cans floating around?
Excuse me?
There's a lot of cans floating around here. Y'all wouldn't know anything about that, would you?
Nah, sir. I just got bit by a jellyfish, man. The only
Yeah, we
thing
were
I'm
just
worried-
tubing and wakeboarding.
Only thing I'm worried about is getting to shore.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, we gotta get to shore fast.
We're just trying to go home back to Key West.
Two of us just got stung badly.
Yeah, we got
Yeah.
twice. I felt
Oh my
it
god, I
twice.
can. It's really bad.
That's what I'm saying, man. I'm about to call my
It's
mom.
all over here too.
See?
My eczema is like really acting.
I'm scared.
Or it's all on my stomach too. What are you looking for?
See, we ain't
No registration on board? I think I might be able to read it. (9411) Marathon, 1054 vessel. Florida vessel 4017 November Tango. 1020 is Hawks K. What's your name? You have your driver's license on you?
We are injured. I got it. Y'all can't see me.
Injured.
Yeah, this really hurts bad. I need cortisone 10 right now.
AT cross. I know you got it.
Should match my daughter's license. What's your name?
Officer Givens? Nice to meet you.
No, Officer James.
Who?
I only know his last name.
What's his last name?
James.
James. I don't believe so. 9411 Marathon. 1065 Florida 27 for 29P.
Search on the camera.
Alrighty, Captain. We're going to run through a safety inspection. I need you to grab all the safety equipment for me, alright? I need...
Let me look through it.
Go ahead.
What you need? What's in that, Captain? How about we just got the boat rewired, so everything got moved around. So
Okay.
stuff on that boat.
Okay.
Hey, and look in that back.
all probably on that.
Okay. So if this boat started sinking, what are you gonna do?
So I'm finna swim, sir. You ain't even gotta ask that question. Can you swim? I'm finna make swim.
Okay. Do you have flares?
I'll get caught up to you.
I'm not sure. We threw out.
I think
We threw out everything whenever we got the boat rewired.
Okay. Do you have a horn or a whistle on the vessel?
You're fine.
Okay. Do you mind opening the cooler for me?
This cooler?
Yes, sir. Okay. Y'all mind opening that cooler for me?
Shit. All up on my side. The rest and shit like that. This nigga over here fucking
Okay.
up the vibes.
So no life jackets at all on board.
No, sir. But we live right there, though.
Okay.
Tell them that was with the boat.
We're like headed in right
We were tied up with that boat. The boats
Okay.
are together, yes.
Oh, they left us?
Okay.
No post.
Where are y'all staying at?
We're
Right
in
there.
Duck Key.
Duck Key?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Like, we're not even 2 minutes down the canal.
Okay. Is there anyone on the vessel that has not had a drink today? So, only 2 of you drink?
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. Wait, what are we on here for?
Golly, guys,
I
come
also
on.
have my boater's license, and I didn't drink it.
I have mine too.
Okay. You're giving some signs of possible impairment. I don't want to risk, or I can't make you drive or ask you to drive until I know for sure that you're not impaired.
I understand.
So with that, and you don't have any safety gear on the vessel, I'd like to get this vessel back to the dock where you're at and continue to stop there. That way we can run through this.
Can I drive? I have my boater's license.
Okay.
I just don't have it on me. You can look it up.
That's fine. Yeah. Yeah, I'll agree to that. I'll let you drive back to dock. I'll follow you. Just a slow put in, and then I'll continue this at the dock, okay?
You know Officer Willie
Willie?
Guerrero?
Yes, sir.
If you ask him, he knows me.
Okay.
And, like, I'm working on my captain's license right now.
Okay.
So,
What about Officer Clark or Officer Caldwell?
I know Caldwell.
Hello?
Yeah, so I'd rather continue this at the dock so we can kind of let them not be in the middle of all this, all right? You mind driving back?
No, it's fine.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, officer. You have a great
Sir,
Yes, I'll hold everything. I want to follow you back to the dock, okay?
sir, this is like full serious. Okay,
Yes.
I'm sober. I got really stung by a jellyfish
Okay.
all throughout here. Is there, what do I do to
For that,
I have like severe eczema as well.
okay. Usually it's just time. Time takes it away.
Okay.
You can get some kind of ointments from the pharmacy
Okay.
that
My
can
mom
help.
is a pharmacist.
Yeah, they can help minimize this thing. But
But there's something I can do like
yeah,
right now.
not right now. No, not that I know of.
Thank you, officer.
No problem.
Say that again?
Can you give me the address?
I'm not exactly sure on the address.
I think it's
I believe.
Is that Duck Key or?
yeah. It's
Okay.
like right around.
9411 Marathon. Can I get 94 from NCSO at 2? Hey, I need everybody over here now. Just hand it back to me. No, without tying it.
9435
All right, Captain, will you come back over here for me? Now that everyone's off the vessel, you try to find all the safety equipment and the registration.
Does this guy have anything to do with what you're doing?
No.
It's mine. Don't care. Well, you want registration? Yeah, you can get the registration, but it should be on the boat. Should be on the boat. I mean, I got this life jacket right here.
Okay. Just one life jacket?
Yeah. Alright. Should be on here, right?
Well, not earlier. Is that it? Just no flares, no fire extinguisher, no whistle, no registration on board? Okay. Alright, now that everyone's off and the boat doesn't completely reek like alcohol, I would like to conduct a few tasks to see if you're intoxicated, okay?
Yes, sir.
Mind hopping over my boat to do it? Careful.
Hey, you want to do it on dry land?
Yeah, we can do it on land that way we're not moving.
Yes, sir. You want to hop on this boat?
Yeah, it's probably easier than hopping over this bimini.
Yes, sir.
If you need a hand, just let me know. Alright, you can take a seat. Just get comfortable.
You got anything to do with anybody else on the boat?
No, they can.
Everybody else is good?
Yeah. Everything's good. Yeah.
You got any information on them or anything like that? You want their information?
Just the driver would be good to have her information. Okay. The one that brought it in, the lady that drove the boat in.
You got
Yeah.
it? We drove it in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, sir.
Yeah.
Hey,
LT, I'm just going to go ask around.
Okay.
All right, so just please sit straight at the front edge of your seat. Put your arms down at your sides. Place your feet shoulder width apart so you're comfortable and stable. Stable? Comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do not move your feet until the tasks are over. Stay in this position and do not do anything else until I tell you to do so. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First, will you take your sunglasses off for me?
Yes, sir.
And your hat as well? Thanks, sir.
Yeah, they're in my truck.
Okay.
Grab them?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
He won't need them for this.
I wear eyeglasses, though.
Okay.
Alright.
Do you have any physical defects or disabilities?
I have dyslexia, ADHD, and slight autism.
Okay. Do you have any defects with your eyes?
Yes.
Okay. I know you said you wore glasses. Do you know what that's for?
Near.
Nearsightedness?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you sick or injured?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you under the care of a doctor or dentist?
No, sir.
Are you taking any medication or drugs?
No, sir.
Okay. So the first task I ask you to do, you see this light?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First one is, are you wearing any contact lenses?
No, sir.
Okay. I'm going to check your eyes, hold your head still, and follow stimulus with your eyes only. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Keep looking. Thank you, sir. The next one we're going to do is finger to nose. So make a fist with both hands and extend your fingers and turn your palms forward, like so. Okay. Yeah, turn your palms forward. Thank you. Remain in this position while I explain the task. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
When I say begin, tilt your head back to about a 45-degree angle and close your eyes. So 45, and just close your eyes. Okay. When I tell you to touch the tip of your nose with the tip of your finger, index finger, and immediately return it to your side. So the tip of your finger.
Which one, left or right?
I'll tell you which side to go with. Okay.
Yes.
So the tip of your finger. This is the tip. If you'll look at my finger. So this is the tip, not the pad or the sides.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So the tip to the tip of your nose. Very
So
tip.
where the fingernail ends.
Yes, sir. So the tip. So when I tell you begin, you'll tilt your head back. Or just watch me. And you'll tip the nose, tip the finger. Okay.
Yes, sir.
When I say right, you must touch your right index finger to your nose. When I say left, you must touch your left index finger to your nose. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Begin. Left. Right. Left. Right. Right. Left. Thank you, sir. So the next one we're going to do is called palm pat. So you'll place your hands palm to palm with one hand up and one hand down.
Like that? That's palm to
Yeah.
palm, right?
Like this.
Like that?
Yes,
That's,
sir. And
that's toward each other.
okay, palm to palm.
All right.
Hands like this, straight forward, okay? Remain in this position while I explain the task. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
When I tell you to begin, turn the top hand over and count out loud 1, then turn the hand back over and count out loud 2, counting only when the hands make contact, like this. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Yes, sir.
Repeat this, speed up as you go, and do not stop until told. Make sure to keep your hands and fingers parallel during each pat, like this. Okay. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Begin. Speed up. Speed up. Okay, you may quit. Thanks, sir. Next one is hand coordination. So, make a fist with both hands. Place your left fist at the center of your chest and your right fist against your left fist, like this. So, yes, sir. Yeah. Remain in this position while I explain the task. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When I say begin, you must perform 4 tasks. The first task is to count out loud from 1 to 4 while you move your fist in a step-like fashion. Make contact between your fist at each step. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Not against my chest.
No, just out in a step-like fashion, okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Understand?
Okay.
The second task is to memorize the position of your fist after you have counted to 4. Clap your hands 3 times and return your fist to the memorized position. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. Understand?
Yes, sir.
The third task is to move your fist in a step-like fashion in reverse order, counting out loud from 5 to 8, and returning your left fist to your chest. Okay.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes, sir.
The fourth task is to open your hands with palms down and place them in your lap. So, yeah, okay?
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry, palms down in your lap.
Palms down.
Palms down in your lap.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you may begin. Okay. Thank you, sir. So, at this time, I do believe your normal faculties are impaired. Okay, so stand up and just turn around for me.
Are you arresting me?
Yes, sir.
Come on, man.
Okay. You're driving a boat with your normal faculties impaired.
I was driving in the open water. I'm 17, man.
Okay.
Please.
Yeah. So
Please.
your
And I didn't have
alcohol
my
is
glasses.
actually less. All right. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. I'll go clean out my cage.
I believe that my normal glasses.
Yes, sir.
I did not have my glasses to do this test.
Okay. You don't. I would ask you to take your normal glasses off as well. Okay.
Would you?
Yes, sir.
What's going on, man?
You're operating a vessel with normal faculties impaired, sir.
What about everybody else?
9411 Marathon.
You didn't test anybody else driving that boat.
Can you show the subject 1015 at this time?
I'll be right back.
Sir. You can go ahead and take a seat if you like.
Can you help me out, man? Please, man.
It's just a VUI, okay? You'll
Yo,
have to go through it and deal with it, all
I'm
right?
underage, man. Come on.
I understand.
Hey.
The courts is how you deal with it,
Hey.
okay? You made that
What
decision when
what
you drove a
happened-
boat.
What happened
with
to
your,
that boat? What happened with him?
I stopped you because you were pulling away from that boat, okay? And I saw other people on board without a single life jacket on the boat. You understand?
Please, man. It won't happen again, I swear. Look at everybody else over there, man. Why you... Please, dude. Please, man. I know this is hurting you, man. Why, dude?
It's my job.
Can you talk to your supervisor for me, please, man? Why? Can you let me have a warning at least? Or something? There's so many other people here, man. Why me?
You're the one operating the vessel.
I wasn't, though. Did you test the girl that was driving the way back?
Not yet.
Can you test her?
Good. When I talked to her,
It's
she
not
seemed
just me.
okay.
Every single person here. Why me? Please, man. We're all kids.
I understand that. And you should know better than
I'm
be operating a
kid.
vessel.
I don't know better, dude.
Okay. Well, you'll learn.
How long have you been on the job for?
Been on the job for a little under a year.
A little under a year. Have you given anybody a break?
If it was
If
needed.
what? Dude, please. I'm fucking 17, dude. Please.
I understand that.
Dude. Was I driving recklessly?
No, you were just backing
No.
up.
I was backing up, exactly.
But you were
Who
still
says-
operating the vessel.
Who says I was going to drive the boat all the way back?
You were driving it when I noticed it and stopped you.
Dude, please, man. Please.
I think he's about ready. Parents?
Are your parents here? Or
Parents are dead.
yeah,
Who do you
guardians?
live with?
My mom. My dad's passed away, though.
Okay, so your mom.
Yeah.
Does she live around here?
Why can't y'all just let me have a break?
It's a little late now. What is
He followed us all the way back.
where's
I backed up. I literally
where's your
backed
mom?
up.
Where's your mom at? Is she here?
No, she's in Fort Lauderdale for the weekend.
Okay. Do you know her phone number? You have it in your phone.
Yes.
Okay. Where is your phone?
I can't grab it.
Well, you can tell me where it's
It's
at.
in my pocket, I believe. In my right pocket.
All right. Anything
All right,
else in your
grab
pocket
your phone,
besides
okay.
your phone?
No, sir.
All right. Do you
Just my
mind if he
pocket.
gets that out of there?
I do.
You don't want us to call her?
Why just
Because
me?
you're under
Why
18.
Just me? Why just me?
He's already explained all that to you. We're not explaining it to you again. Okay?
But I can't just let me over the warning. Come on. I wasn't even the one who drove the boat in. Did you guys test it or drove the boat in?
He's gonna have to have everything out of his pockets anyway. So
Go turn around for me.
Why?
Face
Why
that way.
just me? Hold on.
we're not discussing it anymore.
Why?
Okay? We'll figure it out later.
Why just me? Please, just tell me.
He's already explained it
Why
to you.
just me though?
He's already explained it to you.
No, he hasn't. He just said no.
I said you were operating the vessel. That is why.
I just backed it up because they didn't know how to back it up. Please, come on, dude. Don't you know when to give a kid a break? Why? Why? What's your name?
Come over this way. I'll give you all my information one day. We've got plenty of time.
9434 Marathon. FWC.
I don't even own the boat, man.
Doesn't matter.
It's not mine.
Doesn't matter.
It's not my boat.
It doesn't matter. All right.
Stand
You
still.
got anything in your pocket that's gonna focus,
No.
stick us, or anything?
No.
All right.
Why am I going to jail, man? Please.
You've already been explained.
I'm not. Please, man. Don't arrest me. Please don't arrest me, man. Please. Why not everybody else? Why me? Nobody. Please, man. Yeah, I got my glasses.
But you said they weren't here.
They're in my truck. I said they were here.
Okay. We'll work on that. Where's your keys to your truck at?
In the truck.
The keys are in your truck.
Yes.
Which truck is yours?
It's the blue one.
The blue one. All right.
Why are you arresting me, man? Not everybody. God damn it, dude.
Do you want all this stuff to go with you, or do you
No,
want to
just
turn
leave
this
it.
over to
Just
somebody?
leave it here. Michael, come here.
You'll need his driver's license.
I already have it.
You got it? And then
Just take my phone.
you want to take it?
Yeah, everybody else can have my other shit. Oh, shit, can I say here?
434. Go ahead. 854.
But anyway, guys, thank you very much. Again, make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.